Sheppard Sunderland Frere, CBE, FSA, FBA was a British historian and archaeologist who studied the Roman Empire. He was a Fellow at All Souls College, Oxford. Biography: the son of Noel Grey Frere, of the Colonial Service, and his wife, Agnes Sheppard. Sam Frere was a master at Epsom College from 1938 to 41, and became Classics Master and House Master at Lancing College from 1945–1954, when he was in charge of the excavations at Canterbury during his summer vacations. He made a number of broadcasts about his work at the time. He left Lancing in 1954 to become a university lecturer in archaeology at the University of Manchester. His family details and dates are given under the family of Frere in Burke's Landed Gentry for 1969. For 3 seasons early in the 1970s, he was in charge of the archaeological summer school that excavated the Roman fort at Stregeath, near Crieff, in Perthshire. Between 1955 and 1961 he excavated at Verulamium. He then became Professor of the Archaeology of the Roman Provinces at the University of London from 1961 to 1966 before becoming Professor of the Archaeology of the Roman Empire at Oxford University, where his communicative lectures at the Archaeological Institute, almost always illustrated with visual tools, on Iron Age and Roman Britain and the Rhine frontier of the Roman Empire were well attended. He was married in 1961 to Janet, daughter of Edward Graham Hoare, and had 2 children, Sarah Barbara Ruth and Bartle Henry David Hoare. He was cousin to paleontologist Mary Leakey. Frere was elected as a Fellow of the British Academy in 1971, and became a CBE in 1976. He became an honorary corresponding member of the Deutsches Archaeologisches Institut in 1964, and a Fellow in 1967. He died in 2015, aged 98. Works: Problems of the Iron Age in Southern Britain. Papers given at of C.B.A. conference held at the Institute of Archaeology, 12 to 14 December 1958. Edited by S.S. Frere. Britannia, A History of Roman Britain, Cambridge, Massachusetts, Harvard University Press, 1967. Or, London, Routledge and Amp. K. Paul, 1967. London, Revised Edition. London, Boston, 3rd ed. Extensively Rev. London, New York, 4th ed. Revised. Folio Society, 1999. Verulamium Excavations, London, Society of Antiquaries of London, 1972 and LT, 1983 and GT. ISBN 0854310007X. Roman Britain from the Air. Cambridge, New York, Cambridge University Press, 1983. ISBN 0521250889. Trajan's Column, a new edition of the Sicorius Plates. Introduction, commentary, and notes by Frank Lepper and Sheppard Frere. Gloucester, UK, Wolfborough, New Hampshire, US. Alan Sutton, 1988. ISBN 0862994675. Stregeath, Excavations Within the Roman Fort, 1973–86, by S.S. Frere and J.J. Wilkes, with contributions by Anne Anderson. London, Society for the Promotion of Roman Studies, 1989. ISBN 0907764118. The Roman Inscriptions of Britain. 2. Instrumentum Domesticum, by R. G. Collingwood, R. P. Wright, S. Frere, M. Roxanne, R. Tomlin, Stroud. Published for the Administrators of the Haverfield Bequest by Alan Sutton Publishing, 1990–95. Excavations at Bosenleesrig Roman Forts, by S. Frere, Leeds, Yorkshire Archaeological Society, 2009. Festschriften. Roman to Northern Provinces. Papers presented to Sheppard Frere in honor of his retirement from the chair of the archaeology of the Roman Empire. University of Oxford, 1983. Edited by Brian Hartley and John Watter. Gloucester A. Sutton, 1983. ISBN 0862990467. Romanitas, Essays on Roman Archaeology in honor of Sheppard Frere on the occasion of his 90th birthday. Edited by R.J.A. Wilson, Oxford.